Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty big pullback today, which is now starting to bring some areas of the chart in that are just very famous within the world of charts. Now, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, surface deep understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period simple moving average. That's just a very well-known level in the world of charts. And on my chart, that is what is being represented by the pink line. Now, it's not quite down there yet, but I bring this up for a couple reasons. The main reason is, that's definitely a very important level of support. But the other reason is, technically speaking, from the big picture point of view, the overall chart is still bullish. Now, I realize I could sound very crazy calling this chart bullish, given the big pullback that has happened. But let's say that the price actually continues to fall back, not saying that'll occur, but it does come down to that pink line approximately right there, but then go sideways and start to work its way back upwards. What would you still have from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right here. You'd have lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, then from the big picture point of view, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. Again, I get it. Perspective plays a large role. If you're a day trader, flipper, and you bought up around here, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. So I'm definitely commenting towards those of you that care about a broad time horizon on things. But that is why that pink line is still important, because not only is it just simply a very famous level in the world of charts, in this situation, it's also mapping out that the price does still have an opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's what you want to see going forward. Whereas if the price breaks down through there, then not only is that breaking down through just a famous level in charts, it's also now starting to break those stair steps that have the opportunity to be built. So while, yeah, the pullback has been pretty nasty, the point is, assuming you care about the broad scheme of things, the bulls do still have an opportunity, but it's starting to reach those kind of must-hold levels, do or die areas in order for the overall chart to remain healthy. So from a big picture perspective, yeah, there's still an opportunity here, but yeah, it's definitely time for the bulls to start to step back up and build out and chip away a higher base. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.